In this workflow, we're going to show you how to connect the iWAY to the Creo Colour Server. Before you begin, there are a number of setup procedures that you need to perform on the iWAY. In this workflow, we're going to show you how to order a job as the print buyer, check settings for production, and this you perform as the print service provider, approve the job for printing, and then we're going to view the job and settings on the Creo Colour Server. So let's start on the iWAY. We're going to log in as the print buyer. In this example, we're going to order business cards from a catalogue. So here we're going to choose our business cards template. Here we can see a thumbnail and preview of our job. What's important here is that we're going to be tracking later on in this workflow is our job name and order number. Set your number of copies and then add to cart and order. Again, here we can see our job number and job name, number of quantities, and as the print service provider later on we will use this for tracking our job. So now we're going to proceed to checkout. Here we can see some details, shipping details, that again later on we'll be able to view this on our Creo Colour Server. So now we're going to place our order, and we've completed the steps as the print buyer. So here again we can see our job name and order number. Now we're going to log in as the print service provider and submit the job for printing on the Creo Colour Server. So now we're going to log in as the print service provider on the iWAY. Click the Tasks tab and then click Production. So here we can see the list of jobs on the iWAY which are ready for production. Here you apply various settings and set the output device before submitting for printing. So here we can see our business cards job, the job number 320, and our job name, and number of copies. So now we're going to select our Creo Colour Server and apply additional imposition settings as required and select the appropriate paper stock. In the device and imposition window, we're going to select our Creo Colour Server where we want our file printed, and we're going to select the paper stock where we want this printed on. When you're done, click OK. So now we're going to submit this for printing on our Creo Colour Server. Click Approve. Now click Printing, and we can see the list of jobs that are currently being printed to the various output devices from the iWAY server. Here we can see the list of jobs, and our job, here we can see 320 and the name of our Creo Colour Server. Now, using the remote workspace, we're going to take a look at our Creo Colour Server. It's our job processing. And then we're going to take a look at the job settings. So here on our Creo Colour Server, we can see the file arrived in the process queue. And now it has arrived at the print queue. We can see our job name and order number. And the number of copies, this is calculated according to the paper size and the imposition method selected. So here we can see our file is being printed. So it's printed successfully, and move now to the storage area. Now let's take a look at the job settings. Double-click on your job in the storage area. This opens the job parameters window. Select Job Info, and here we can see various information that has come from the iWAY server. We can see here various contact details, shipping address, and here under Job Link, this is a very nice feature. When we click on this, it takes us directly to the iWAY server, where we can see more details about the job's history. So here now on the iWAY server, we can see our job number. We can click here for a preview, and we can see various other details, also including the job ticket associated with this job. So you can see how simple and easy the connectivity between the Creo Colour Server and the iWAY is.